2018 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.